Hello. Oh, you can see me properly now. That's well cool. Oh, no, 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 you can't. Right, I just thought I'd show you my toilet, which Matt blocked, and I'm going to try and attempt to unblock it with something. So this is kind of, I'll show you. Oh, you're not going to like this. Ew, look at that, that's disgusting. And this is what I'm going to use. Oh, please don't say that fucked up anything else. Right, now I'm going to flush it. Oh, come on, flush properly. Now I've got to clean it. Smells of drainage. Seriously, if you could smell it, you'd be like, ew. So, right, now that I've actually unblocked the toilet, I'm so happy, right? So now that I've done that, look at it now. It still looks pretty bad, but you know. So, shut the door. So now I've got to clean it and I'm really scared. I've got a new toilet cleaner. I think I just, oh, Harpic, so good. This is really awkward. I can't believe I'm filming in my bathroom. Oh, did you hear the air come out of that? Right, so I've got to clean it now. Oh shit, you're supposed to lift the toilet lid up first. I don't really want to do this. Right, if I put you there, you can watch me clean it. I'm breathing through my mouth. Oh, get on. Just put the light on. Toilet brush is stuck. Right. Gonna flush it again. This is not nice. Right, flush it again. Oh my god, you don't believe how many germs are on the toilet brush right now. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm actually well happy. Keep the lid off. Right, now I've got to clean around it. See, I can't even do a video of me cleaning my toilet. I blocked it and then cleaned it. I think it's dry. Yeah, they are a bit. This is purely because I'm so bored. Like, I'm not going out with my mates today, so I'm just cleaning a toilet. This is the worst job in the world. And after that I can finally use my own toilet. I have to make sure these are wet because they seem like they've just all dried out. This is disgusting. This is like the worst thing ever. Oh, still really dry. I hate the fact that whenever Matt comes around, my toilet's always blocked because of him. Oh. Ooh. And it went right up to whenever I flushed it or whatever, it went right up to the rim. It's just not a nice thing to have. Oh, I love my friends. Blocked my fucking toilet. It's happened after a party as well. It blocked my toilet. But now I can actually use it. These are just wet wipes for bathrooms. The worst thing in the world is having your best mate block your fucking toilet. Seriously. So anyway, I wanted to know, what is the worst thing your mate's done when they've come around your house? Because mine is blocking the toilet and it's really annoying. It means I have to clean it and all the goo in it. So if you have some finally, wash my hands. I'm not even going to touch the bloody camera until I wash my hands. It took me days just to try and unblock that. I can use the toilet. Yay! Anyway, so yeah, what is the worst thing your friend has done when they've come around your house? Is it block your toilet? Is it smash something that your mum really cherished, like a vase or something that's really expensive? I've done that before. So yeah, just tell me what's the worst thing. And there'll be more music videos coming out soon. And yeah.